Hi friends, this is Ranish Malhan from PixCompose. Today we are going to discuss how we can change the color of an eye in the image. Here you can see I have changed the color to green. If I zoom in, you can see properly. So this is a green eye, and if I turn off the adjustment layer, we can see the original eye color. So let's get started without wasting our time. Firstly, I have to make the selection of this eye. So how I can do this? If I use the quick selection tool, you can see we cannot make a proper selection with this. If I start subtracting the selection, you can see that we are not getting a good result with that. So for that, the best way to do this is firstly deselect this selection, and here I am going to use the marquee tool. Click and hold here and we will see the elliptical marquee tool. Select that and start making the selection. So we have the selection of this eye, but we have to refine it from here. For that I am going to use the lasso tool. Select the lasso tool. So now with the subtraction mode selected, start making the selection like this. Now we have the proper selection of this eye. Here we have another eye, you can see this. So for that I'm going to make the selection with the addition mode selected, and now again we have to use the lasso tool to refine our selection. You can see we have a good selection now. Press Ctrl 0. So at this time I have to use hue saturation. So you can add the adjustment layer. So this is the hue saturation layer. You can use the colorize from here. Now you can see when I press the colorize, the eye color is already changed. If I turn off this layer, we can notice the change in the color. So now start dragging the hue slider to adjust the color. From here you can adjust the saturation of this color like this, and from here the lightness of this color. So we are happy with this color. So at this time we can notice some overflow of this color. So we have to solve this issue. For that, select the mask, applied on the adjustment layer, and here you can see the feather. Start feathering it up like this, and the issue is solved now. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next class. If you find any issues, please do send the queries through comments and emails, and we will be happy to solve them. And please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and do press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications about our videos on time and stay up to date. Thanks for watching.